Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to lock FN or function key of a keyboard in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. So right now you can see on the computer screen. So here I have a function key. As you can see, this is the FN function key, right? So in order to use mostly the shortcut keys like the volume up, volume minus, or like play and pause and so options that are available mostly in the function keys. In almost all function keys, like under the F1, F2, you will see some media control icons or some different icons. So in order to use such options that are present on the function keys like the F1, F2, we have to press the FN key in order to use this kind of multimedia keys that are present on the F1, F2, F3, so. So in order to lock this FN key, what you need to do is on your computer, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as FN Key Lock by Razet Course, and on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it, and now you can see here FN Key Lock. Just click on it. Now below you can see the preview of this applications, and you can read some installation instructions or how to use. If you want to read, you can read. And on the right side you can see here releases. Just click on it, and now below you can see your assets. Just click on it, and the first file, that is fnlog.exe, you need to download this. Just click on it. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software. So now you can see the user interface of this application, right? So let me give you a quick overview. So you can see here the first option written as toggle lock. So in order to use this function key lock, you need to press Ctrl Alt L in order to lock your FN key, and after locking it you can select respective function keys, whatever you want to do. Say if you want to set for a F1, you need to click on this down arrow and you can set different options whichever you like, or you can just match up with your computer keyboard, similar to your computer keyboard. If the F1 is like a headphone or volume up, then you can just select the volume up. You can just select volume up if you wish. So right now I'll just give it as volume up, and I'll just select the F2 as volume down. You can set for different function keys for the F3 also if you wish. There are tons of options, whichever you want to set depending upon your needs. I'll just select for this too, just to give you an example whether it's how it's gonna work for you. And below you can see here apply. So before clicking on apply, you can see here more options automatically run on startup. So if you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer, then just enable this option so that your application, this application will get auto start whenever you turn on your computer. And you can see here you can just start it in enable mode, whichever you want to set. That means if you start it on enable mode, that means this toggle lock will get automatically started. That is, your function key will get automatically locked if you turn on these options. So once you are done, just click on apply. Now what you need to do is on your computer keyboard you need to press this keys, that is you can see here. So right now you can see it's unlocked, right? So in order to lock this function key, you need to press this Ctrl Alt and L letter on your computer keyboard. So let me press Ctrl Alt and L. So now you can see here a status showing locked. That means your function key or the FN key is locked now. So now let us check if it really gonna work. So in my case the F1 is set to volume up and F2 is set to volume down. So what I will gonna do is I'll just minimize this, and now I'm gonna press the F1 key to increase the volume. So I'm pressing the F1 key. So now you can see here the volume is getting increased without needing to press the F1 key. And let me click on the F2, that is volume minus key or the volume down key. So you can see the volume is decreasing. So using this application named as F1 key lock, you can easily lock your F1 or function key of a keyboard in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application which will let you lock F1 or function key on your Windows computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.